People talk about working in BIM as if it's one job. In reality, BIM on the delivery side is a set of very different roles. And most project problems come from not being clear who is responsible for what. In this video, I'm talking specifically about delivery team, BIM, functions, the architecture, engineering, and construction side. Client-side BIM functions work differently, and I'll cover those separately. So let's break down what these delivery functions actually do clearly and honestly. So let's start with BIM Modeler. A BIM Modeler is an entry-level to early career role responsible for model accuracy and consistency, not strategy or standards. Their responsibility is model accuracy and consistency. They work in tools like Revit or ArchiCAD to build and update discipline-specific models, generate drawings, views and schedules, and apply existing templates, naming conventions and standards. So they follow the project BIM execution plan, client's information requirements, and company BIM standards. They don't define workflows, they don't make strategic decisions, they apply what's already been defined. This role is ideal if you like structure, care about detail, want to build strong technical foundations. So yeah, a good BIM modeler makes information reliable, and reliability is the base of everything else. So what does BIM Specialist do? A BIM Specialist is a senior technical role responsible for model quality and usability, not overall project coordination. This person doesn't just model, they own the quality, structure, and usability of that model. They develop complex information-rich models, ensure compliance with ISO 19650 and the Project BIM execution plan, manage task information delivery plans, refine workflows, and automate tasks using tools like Dynamo. Mentor junior team members, but they still work hands-on, but with judgment and accountability, not just instructions. This role suits people who enjoy technical problem solving, like improving how things work, want responsibility but without managing the entire project. Think of the BIM specialist as a technical leadership inside the model. Now, what does BIM Coordinator do? This is where a lot of confusion starts. So this part matters. A BIM Coordinator is responsible for coordination across disciplines, not company-wide BIM strategy. Their core job is to make sure information from different disciplines actually works together. They enforce the BIM execution plan on the project, they assemble different discipline models together, they coordinate models across those disciplines, they set up and manage clash detection processes, manage shared parameters and data structures, and act as the main BIM point of contact for the project team. They also carry out quality checks of data and models, and they create scripts to automate repeated tasks. They don't define company-wide BIM standards. They don't set long-term BIM strategy. They make sure the project doesn't fall apart digitally. If BIM fails on a project, coordination usually failed first. Ready to find out what are the responsibilities of a BIM manager? Now, this is a major shift in responsibility from a BIM coordinator to a BIM manager. A BIM manager is responsible for BIM governance and delivery, not day-to-day modeling. They define the BIM scope of works, support bids and respond to BIM questionnaires, interpret client information requirements, and make sure the IRs are followed, develop and manage BIM execution plan. They also audit drawings, models, and data, including COBie and other asset data. They represent BIM in client and project meetings. They define, configure, and oversee the common data environment, and they also assemble the project information model. They protect quality, compliance, and risk. They may understand the tools, but their real value is decision-making and accountability. This is where BIM stops being a technical exercise and becomes a business function. Head of BIM or BIM Director, this is the most strategic delivery side BIM role. A head of BIM or BIM Director is responsible for organization-wide BIM strategy and capability, not individual project coordination. They are responsible for BIM strategy across the studios or regions, standardization of processes, templates and workflows, recruitment and team structure, workload forecasting and capability planning, driving innovation and long-term BIM maturity. They don't run individual projects day to day. They make sure the organization is capable, compliant, and ready to deliver BIM consistently at scale. This role isn't about projects. It's about BIM maturity across the business. One last thing. Job titles vary a lot between companies and countries. What really matters is not the title, but the responsibility, authority, and accountability attached to the role. ISO 19650 is very clear on this. Clarity of functions reduce risk. If BIM feels confusing on projects, it's usually because functions and responsibilities aren't clear. Understanding BIM jobs isn't about career ladders. It's about knowing who does what, when, and why. And that clarity changes everything. Projects, confidence, and careers. I'm Carolina Huste, the founder of BIM Karela, and this is how BIM delivery roles actually work. BIM is a process, clearly defined responsibilities make it work.